Hey guys, this is James and welcome to a new video, and from today we're going to start a new series which called the Camera 5. In this series we're going to discuss about different new releases, different filmmaking news, camera news and whatnot. So this is the first episode, let's begin. I'll start with the news of Sigma lens. Sigma just dropped a constant aperture zoom for crop sensor cameras. The 17 to 40mm constant f1.8 TC art lens. Yes, this is a art series lens. Here's what you need to know about this lens. This is the world first range and aperture combo that covers 25.5 to 60mm full frame equivalent on Sony or L mount, and this lens is available for all the main camera manufacturers. You will get for all the mounts except Nikon for now, but I'm sure they will release a version for Nikon very soon. So from 17 to 40mm, the f-stop will remain in f1.8. So it will give you flexibility to shoot in low light condition, and if you are a video shooter, then this lens will be a gem for you, as it's a constant aperture f1.8 zoom lens, so it will give you low light punch and shallow depth of field throughout the zoom range. So talking about the specification, the optics are built for clean bokeh, and you'll get 17 elements in 11 group with 4 sphericals and 4 SLD elements and 11 blade rounded diaphragm to tame chromatic aberration and keep the highlight circular. It's lighter than the legendary 18 to 35mm, drops over 30% of the weight. The weight of this lens is just 535 gram while stretching the focal range. It will use 67mm front filter instead of a 70mm, and I think 67mm filter thread is pretty common, so probably you will not need to buy a new lens filter for this lens. This lens has a video friendly mechanics, internal zoom that keeps the lens steady for gimbal works. It has minimum focus breathing, fast HLA autofocus motor and 2 AFL buttons positioned for the horizontal or vertical shooting. You can set the aperture ring to click or declick and silent iris pulse for videos, though Canon RF version swap this for a programmable control ring. They said the build is top-notch, weather seal built, dust and splash resistant with oil repellent, font coating and a brass bayonet mount. The price of this lens is $919 and it is available for L mount, Sony E mount and Fuji Film X mount, and it's not available still for Nikon mount, and they will start shipping the lens from 10th July 2025. So it's a fast, wide and finally lighter lens. Does Sigma 17 to 40mm f1.8 become your new APS-C workhorse? Drop your thoughts below. Now the second news, Nanlite 18° to 36° zoom FM mount projection. Nanlite just rolled out a new precision tool for gappers and DPs, the 18 to 36° zoom projection attachment for their FM mount LED spots. Here are the quick hits. So what is it? Optical add-on that snaps into any Nanlite FM mount COB fixture. One unit covers 18 to 36°, so no more swapping fixture lenses. So why would you use that? Zoom ring let you shrink or expand the beam on the fly and keep razor sharp edges. Delivers up to 21x more luminance, and you'll get creative control. 360° rotating barrel for quick gobo spins or shutter cuts. You'll get built-in shutter plus gel slot, shipped with 4 gobos and 2 gobos holder, proprietary plus M size. Now let's talk about build and rigging. Aluminium alloy body and a nylon accent, light but rental house top. One yoke let you tilt TP, fits junior receivers or baby pins. So the specification is 97% beam uniformity, 96% CCT accuracy and 3% distortion at 18°. Includes padded carrying bags. Available now and you can buy it for $589. The next news is about OM Digital Solution, and they has refreshed its compact MFT lineup with the brand new OM5 Mark II. Here's what really matters. You can record unlimited 4K video and vertical ready. It can record DCI 4K, 24p and UHD 4K, 30p with no time limit. Say goodbye to the 30 minutes wall. Flip the body upright and the footage is auto tagged for social media platform. Metadata follows the rotation. It has used 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor, can shoot in OM Lock 400 for flexible grading. You'll get two new baked-in looks, OM Cinema 1 and 2, deliver a cinematic vibe straight out of the camera. This camera has updated 5-axis IBIS, keeps handheld video smooth. The camera has IP53 weather seal plus operation down to -10 degrees Celsius. Dust, rain or snow won't stop it. The camera has front red tele lamp signal, record button that will indicate if you're recording or not, then USB-C charging, gripper body, night vision LCD mode, vari-angle touchscreen and 2.36 million dot OLED EVF. The camera will cost you $1,199 if you just buy the body. If you buy with bundle, suppose you are buying with 12 to 45mm f4 lens, then you have to spend $1,599. And if you are buying the camera with 14 to 150mm zoom lens, then you have to spend $1,499. So the camera has no limit in 4K, vertical mode and pro graded ceiling. Now the question is, does OM5 Mark II earn a spot in your camera bag? Let us know. Now let's talk about the older news, which is Blackmagic Design has moved DaVinci Resolve 20 out of beta. So the final stable release is ready for download. Here's the highlight that you should know. So the first update is we are getting AI at every stage. Intelligent script builds the timeline from the text script, then the animated subtitle sync and animate the words automatically. Multicam smart switch cut multicam angles based on who's talking. Now let's talk about cut and edit page. So we'll get new keyframe curve dryer, voiceover palette with on-screen teleprompter, beat detection tools and a one-click silence remover. They called it IntelliCut. In the Fusion page, we are getting deep image compositing, multi-layer open EXR or PSD support, vector work cleanups and GPU accelerated 180-degree VR workflow. The color page is also refreshed. They have introduced Magic Mask version 2 with brush paint, depth map update, new chroma warp inside the color warper, plus ACES 2.0 and OCIO FX integration. In the Fairlight page, we'll get smart audio, AI audio assistant for one-button mixes, dialogue mixer for tone level, reverbs. Then we'll get IntelliCut for checkerboard speakers and 6-band clip EQ. That's not all. Also, we'll get some updates in the delivery page. So in the delivery page now, the ProRes export supports Windows or Linux. Then MBHEVC hardware support, side-by-side 3D decoding and quick export with custom icons. Also, they have included some general polishes, that is extra download manager for AI models, user-defined media location, remote monitor bitrate readout and dozen of stability fixes collected during the beta cycle. So more than 100 new features and a ton of AI helpers. Download Resolve 20 today and let us know which tool you'll test first. Warping up the camera files tonight, let's talk about a new way to share huge video files without paying cloud fees. So your drive is now the cloud. Strada peer-to-peer tech let you flip a USB stick, camera SSD or a full NAS into an online workspace. You will get collaborator stream or download directly from your hardware. So Strada let you stream 4K video in real time with a slow internet. So the demo showed a 36 GB ProRes clip playing smoothly over an 11 Mbps line with 200 millisecond latency. They said zero storage charge, basic sharing is free, future revenue will come from optional add-on like comments and burn-ins, not from renting space or bandwidth. Plug and play setup, install the app, tick share, invite teammates, they access the file in any browser. Works even while the media is still in the camera. So if that is true, then it will be great for us who are working remotely with our teammates. We can easily collaborate with our teammates and share the video clips, media and whatnot. Now Strada is in open beta. Sign up requires no credit card. Team is polling user to decide which premium feature to build next. So that's wrap up the first episode of the Camera Files. I hope you have liked this video. You can share me your thoughts about this show in the comment section below. I'll try to make the show every alternate week, maybe 2 episodes in a month or maybe 1 episode, and I'm not sure about that. If I get good response from you guys, then I might make 2 episodes every single month. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you need this channel, want to learn video editing, or if you want to learn more about camera gears or filmmakings, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Then goodbye.